Hello everyone, if you're trying to play League of Legends and you keep getting this problem, something unusual has happened while trying to access a file needed for the update, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on League of Legends easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to close out the Riot Client on your computer. So just close out the Riot Client and then open up your task manager and then look for any processes related to VGC or Riot Client or League of Legends on your computer. And as you can see, I don't have any processes related to it. That means I've closed all Riot Client processes. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here services. And then you're going to look for the service called VGC on here. So just click onto any service, press V on your keyboard, and you should have VGC on here. I don't have it here because I don't have Valorant or League of Legends installed on my computer. But you're going to see the VGC service here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the VGC service and then click properties. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure the startup type on VGC is set to either automatic or automatic delayed start. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click start on here. If it's already running, then you're going to click stop, wait for 15 to 20 seconds. And after that, click start. After that, click apply. Okay. And then you're going to open up the Riot Client. And then you're going to go into League of Legends, and then when you click on to play, you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.